if you have an online tutoring business, your favorite thing is doing the actual teaching, I'm sure. You know, using your valuable skills to make others better and smarter and more aware. But still, you cannot do those things without actually getting the students, right? And thus having the students means they pay you the money that you need to conduct your life. Maybe you're like me where you have used Google to advertise, you've got a website, you have lots of information about yourself and your services posted on social media. And while that's important and that's all well and good, you're really going to do yourself a favor if you have videos like this one. Online tutors who create videos, maybe videos like this one that are edited, or maybe instructional videos for students, or a whole course package to sell, or even just a live stream that doesn't have to be edited at all. They all make you more memorable. So you're thinking, why make videos? I'm watching a video that's made by a tutor right now. And yes, I have an online tutoring business that helps people with English and math, but like me, you probably have lots of people you would love to help from maybe all over the country, possibly even in other countries. How are they going to find you? Are they going to find you through your website? Are they going to find you through word of mouth? Probably more likely. So why make videos? It's a lot of work. It's weird talking to a camera when nobody's there. You may have trouble stumbling over your words because maybe it doesn't feel natural. You know, talking to a video like this means you're not instructing, you feel like you're showing off, but you're not. Having videos about your business that talk about you and your expertise and the value you help others, they display your expertise. Videos can help build trust with you and your ideal client, and they make you more memorable. Not to mention that having videos can also attract the right type of clients that you really want to teach, the ones that are a good fit for you, and it repels the ones that aren't a good fit, like the time wasters. And by time wasters, I just mean the people who know nothing about you, but they call and email to ask what your prices are, how many available hours you have, and then they don't show up. Yeah, videos can help give you more legitimacy. I've made a lot of videos that have helped attract some of my favorite students. 90% of the students I have right now found me through YouTube, through my videos. Now that could be you. You might be a tutor who just thinks, I just need to make a few videos that last a few years. I don't need to have an ongoing YouTube channel where lots of people come. There's all kinds of content you can create, but I gotta say it's much easier to do with a group, in a club, with support, with other friends and other teachers who value what you do because they understand. That's why this year I have started the Educator Video Club. This membership is made up of a fairly small group of online tutors who want to meet twice a month. We meet twice a month and we talk about video ideas. We talk about what content is relevant for your business. And then we all create a video once a month, at least once a month. You can create more, but not less. So why are we calling it the Educator Video Club instead of Tutor Video Club or Private Tutor Club? I'm just using Educator because some of you guys might actually be teachers, some of you might be in the classroom, or maybe you just teach part-time and you want to make a few videos and you don't necessarily have a full-time tutoring business. That's fine. This group comes in 3 steps. The first thing you can do is go to our Facebook group. It's linked into the bottom of this video in the description if you'd like to go there. Come and join. It's really easy. There's just a couple of things you'll want to do first. You'll want to make sure you have a YouTube channel set up because everyone in the group has a little bit of the basics down already. The next step is the actual membership. That's the part you get to join the meetings where you come twice a month and it's just on Zoom, so you get all that information once you join. $10 a month is all. Just $10. Everyone's a little bit different. We have a reading tutor, math tutor, we've got an ESL tutor, we've got someone who works with students with dyslexia, and that means you've got a lot of different messages coming through. It's really easy, I think, to meet just twice a month online where you can ask other people for ideas and practice doing your video, ask for help, get graphics ideas, get opinions on your photos or the words you actually use, or shooting B-roll like this where I'm talking but yet there's other images coming along. Now, while those things are simple, it really takes motivation from others too. So if you're like me, you do better when you're actually with a group of people. If you've got questions about this and you're wondering, oh gee, I teach and I make videos, or I teach and I want to make videos but I've never done it before, reach out to my email right here. This is my tutoring email, but I talk to a lot of other educators through this email as well. Feel free to skim through the rest of my YouTube channel just to see what types of videos that I like to help tutors create. Everyone comes up with their own style, but I gotta say that creating a video, posting it, and having a parent find you through that video is such an amazing, well, it's a dopamine rush first. It's so exciting because those clients and parents will be thrilled that you've actually made something that they need. Remember, people need to hear your message. If you're a great tutor, but yet you work from home and you're kind of quiet and no one knows about you, those people are missing out on you, on what you have to offer. So how to get started? You gotta join a group. Look in Facebook, we do post helpful things. You can see what types of videos we all create and you can decide if that's for you or not. Don't be afraid to reach out though. I love helping other tutors and I've been doing it for a while. I have my business, but one of the side parts of my business is helping other tutors create useful videos that help them get found, that help them teach, that help them articulate their value so that their expertise is understood. If you want to go ahead and join the membership, the link for that membership is also in this video. I hope to see you later in the Educator Video Club. Bye.